Well, it seems whenever we report on vaccines, we get a lot of comments like you see here. People concerned about their private health information, many citing HIPAA laws and really wanting to know whether it's legal for businesses to ask you whether you've been vaccinated. So we did what we could. We went to the expert for answers. So first off, this is HIPAA. It's an acronym meaning Health Insurance Portability and Accountability Act. Just to give you some context and background, it was signed into law by President Clinton back in 1996. It set national standards to protect your health information from being shared without your knowledge or even your consent. Dornfeld, an expert in health law with the firm Brock Eichler, one question we wanted to know: can your employer ask if you've been vaccinated? Here's our answer.
Sure. Well, an employer typically is not a covered entity under HIPAA. And so HIPAA wouldn't typically prevent an employer from asking its employees to disclose whether or not the employee has been vaccinated.
Our next question: can your employer require you to get a shot? That's where things get a little messy, and it's a question still being worked out.
We are leaning towards saying we believe that we can require people to do that before returning to work, but not without some attached problems and potential lawsuits.
And finally, this one right here: protecting your information in a workplace setting begins with being smart with that same information online.
Don't start posting things on social media, because once you do, it's out there. And your claim to privacy becomes a bit diminished if you're going to be posting your pictures of yourself with your vaccination card or getting vaccinated on the one hand on social media, and then trying to claim that you have a privacy interest in that very same information in a different context.
And I'm sure you've seen those pictures all over social media. But of course, we want you to know that you have more questions and more answers. So be sure to search numbers and links on the News 12 app to find information from HHS and about HIPAA and COVID as well.